Hello YouTube, I am Cole here and this is my brother Wes on the camera. I will be showing you our BB/airsoft guns. First I will start off with my brother's BB gun, which is the Springfield rifle. It's the Red Ryder. It shoots 350 feet per second and I will show you how to use it. Here's my brother gun. It's bolt action. You see here. Yep, and it shoots metal BBs. If you like the sights, you'll look down them right here. It's pretty good sights, if you can see. Okay, so, yep, bolt action. And the safety is right here. Alright, one tip before I go on to my next gun, or as I can say, showing you the ammunition for this, I would like to tell you that whenever you are not using your weapon, please put it in safety as a safety precaution. Okay, going to show you the ammo. Here's the ammo. It's Daisy BBs, and they're metal. Okay, now I will be showing you my M4A1. It is bolt action, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay. Okay, here is my M4A1. This is the holographic scope. It hooks onto the heavy barrel side of the gun. Okay, this is the backstop, which you can adjust and or take off. Okay, this is what it looks like without it. Now I'll be showing you empty cartridge. Cartridge is out. To cock it, you go like this. 2 crosses. Safety is located on this gun right here. It is on fire right now. If this right here is facing this way, it means it's on fire. Okay. Turn it this way. It's on, it's medium. And then this gun is on safety. As you can see, I cannot press the trigger. Okay, this gun shoots 300 feet per second and it packs a punch. Now you see it on the sight. Okay, now I will be showing you the ammo for this. First, I put it back together. Cartridge. Then, right. Oh, the back sock clips in here. Cool thing. Make it bigger or smaller. Sorry about the hold up, but just showing you it comes with 2 cartridges. These are yellow. It's a yellow container, but in the package, it comes with a 500 container. You go like this to get in the package. This is a 5,000, see? These are plastic. So the difference between airsoft and BB is that airsoft is plastic and BB is metal BBs. Airsoft is 6 millimeters. When BB is it's a little bit smaller, so it's 4 millimeters. I think. Let me check real quick. 1 sec. Yeah. Yes, I was correct. It was 4.5, off a little bit. All right. Now, yes, I would like to thank you for watching my broadcast. I will end this exactly at 5 minutes. cameraman. Go, 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 cameraman.
Say, hope you like this, please.
Hope you like
favorite,
this.
subscribe.
Please fave and subscribe. And don't forget to like. Leave a good comment, not bad, because I'm 11 years old.
And fat.
And cameraman says fat.
Bye.
Okay, stopping it at 5:30. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.